Harvest again. There is more. Look at that.
2 days.
Yeah, 2 days not harvest. There is more. Oh, there is more. Oh my gosh. Ayan. Ito, green beans din. This is the green beans. There is more. Oh my gosh. This one. Everything cold. It's 71 degree today. Everything cold. I want the younger. I want the small one. It's crunchy. Crunchy and sweet. Once they are taller now, because last night have a storm. Look at this. Yeah, it's been a bit heavy. Last night is very heavy rain. Have a tornado warning last night. This is our tomatoes. Soon we're gonna harvest and make spaghetti sauce. Oh, I have ampalaya here. Yeah. This one getting bigger. This one. Yeah, getting bigger. There is more here. It's hiding. It's right here. I think some more is here. Oh yeah, this one. Oh, this one too. Yeah, soon I gonna harvest this watermelon. Oh, there is more over here. Nagbin. The piece is bin. Because it get heavy. I have more potatoes. I mean sweet potatoes right here. This is good. We're gonna harvest this. Yeah. Look at that, our carrots. It's blooming. Oh, see. This is our carrots. It's blooming. Yeah. I'm gonna check my green beans here. This is our asparagus. Not much, just a little. And let's see our green beans, if there is beans here. Yeah, I think there is some. No, it's not much, but there is not much here. It's how flowers coming here. She's here. Green beans.
Tomorrow and I need to get this done.
And this is our garlic.